All right, welcome back to Daytime Live. Right now it's game time. Yeah, so we're going to play a game, and it's called Finish This Song, the Christmas edition. Yeah.
Just a check.
All right, so a part of a Christmas song going to play, and the first person to ring the bell and guess the song correctly will win.
Yes.
All right? So we have to make sure the bell is at the same time. No cheating. All right, so you ready?
Yes.
Well, of course, over here we have Team Kartel, and over here we have Team Duffton.
Duffy.
Or Duffy.
Yeah, ready up.
All right, so ready up. Ready him up.
Play the first song.
All right.
Finish it.
Jesus Christ. Play it again, please.
No, you can't play it again. Get you in a good mood.
Let the Christmas get you feeling fine. Put on your dancing shoes and come with me tonight. We're gonna rock till broad daylight.
That is it.
Gotcha. 1 point for us.
1 point for us. We finished
Yes,
the song,
yes.
actually, so we got 1 point.
Thank you, Doctor. Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank you.
Yeah, you start it.
we finished.
And we finish
And then
it.
finish it.
The season for giving. Thank you for giving us that help. It's the season for giving.
Next song.
We wish you a reggae Christmas and a dance on you.
Come here.
Oh my God. No points now.
All right, next song.
I don't care about the present.
You know I hear you sing this.
Yeah.
No. That don't work.
All I want for Christmas.
This is you.
Thank you.
Sing,
I didn't know what that. I didn't know what. Me there try catch.
Okay.
Next song.
Do you ever come to the ghetto? Santa Claus. Do you ever wonder why we suffer so?
Wait.
Thank you.
No, Kartel, yeah.
Sorry,
You work out. You don't move so fast for you.
No,
You don't move too fast for you.
No. Bring it back. Hang on. That's
Yeah,
what.
yeah, that's cheating.
Hang on the mistletoe.
That is it. Oh, you better. When?
This Christmas.
All right. Next
All
song.
right, well.
Next song.
Hold on. Stop.
Live. And it's daytime.
That's side.
Live.
Miss brother, you're rough. You're there for your own.
The first
Noel.
See, focus.
The angels
That's what focus do. She paying attention.
We win.
It never made no sense for this guy.
As they lay
In fields
Noel. Born is the King of
Hold on. Next song. Hold on.
Sing it.
Santa Claus vibes, I know we night.
We can't let them have it.
Yeah, you can't take that.
Last song.
What's that?
Yo, not even.
Get in that studio.
All right, so. Okay, so the winning team is clearly Team Vybz Kartel.
Thank you.
However,
Yeah.
we have, well, not even we, management as well as the artist has decided to give both of them tickets for Freedom
Oh,
Street.
yeah, of course.
As well as some straight vibes rum.
Yes.
Yeah.
Drink responsibly.
Drink responsibly.
Yes.
All right, maximum respect once again for joining us, General. Blessings.
Yeah.
Blessings.
Pressure is all mine. Stuffy.
Yes,
I mean.
Yeah, quickly, 30 seconds. Anything you find want to say, any big ups, anybody want to shout out?
No, just shout out to the whole Jamaica, you know, have a happy holiday, prosperous new year. Don't drink and drive, drink responsibly, and drive with care on the road.
Yeah.
I want to live this to 2025. Up and live, daytime live.
That is it. Thank you everybody for watching. Please remember to check on your loved ones and supporters.